Master ethical hacking. Unleash your inner cybersecurity expert. Have you ever wondered how websites, networks, or apps stay secure in an era of constant cyber threats? Ethical hacking is the answer. In this video, we'll dive into this thrilling field that turns curiosity into a powerful skill to protect technology and design a safer digital world. Ethical hacking is the legal practice of testing systems for security flaws. Unlike malicious hackers, ethical hackers work to strengthen a system's defenses. They uncover vulnerabilities, ensuring organizations stay ahead of hackers and prevent devastating cyber attacks. It's a vital skill for businesses, governments, and anyone passionate about cybersecurity. Ethical hacking involves a step-by-step process. It begins with reconnaissance, gathering information about the target system. This is followed by scanning, where tools analyze network security. Next is exploitation, using identified vulnerabilities. Finally, ethical hackers ensure systems are secure, covering any tracks to avoid exposure to real threats. Kali Linux is an open-source operating system designed for ethical hacking and cybersecurity tasks. With its user-friendly interface and countless pre-built tools, it's a must for anyone entering the field. Let's take a closer look at some of its most powerful tools that simplify and elevate penetration testing. Nmap, a network scanning tool that maps out vulnerabilities in a system by identifying hosts, ports, and services. Metasploit framework, a favorite for penetration testing, this tool simplifies testing exploits to assess system weaknesses. Wireshark, this traffic analyzer monitors and inspects data traveling across networks, ensuring no harmful activity is missed. Perfect for Wi-Fi security, it tests the strength of wireless passwords and protocols. John the Ripper, a robust password cracking tool used to identify weak or vulnerable passwords and fortify defenses. Ethical hacking skills are critical in today's tech-driven world. They empower you to prevent cyber threats, protect sensitive data, and build long-term solutions. Businesses are on the hunt for professionals skilled in ethical hacking, and mastering these abilities can open doors to exciting high-demand careers. Ready to step into this dynamic field? Ethical hacking is more than a skill. It's a chance to shape the future of secure technology. Download Kali Linux, explore its tools, and start practicing today. Don't forget to subscribe for more essential guides, and let's secure the digital world together.